Get into a car with value. 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features. This spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.